It's a 2018 Ford F-150. This truck was built to tough it out and tested to make sure it's up to every challenge. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. EcoBoost engine, 4-wheel drive, automatic transmission, trailer hitch receiver, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, active grille shutters, electronic shift on the fly, auto dimming rearview mirror, and front heated and ventilated leather split bench seats. The Car Connection explains, make no mistake, every square inch is detailed to cheat the wind to make it easier to extract every possible tenth of a mile per gallon from a classically styled pickup truck. Ford is America's best-selling vehicle brand. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.